Welcome to respected judge, madam, supervisor, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are Saraf from 5th would like to share about zones. Earth is divided into three heat zones: torrid zone, temperature zone and freeze zone based on the amount of heat received from the sun. Torrid zone located near the equator, which is the hottest and receives direct sunlight. Temperature zone. Temperature is mild because it lies between the torrid zone and freeze zone. Freeze zone is the coldest because there are slanting sunrise. Now I would like to call my friend Hers. My topic is torrid zone. Torrid zone is the hottest zone in the Earth's surface as it receives the direct rays of the sun, and it is also the nearest zone to the equator. There are India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, South Africa, North Australia, Pakistan like countries in this zone. There we can see there rice, maize, wheat, bajra like crops in this region. Now I like to call Mansi. My topic is torrid zone. Torrid zone also called the hot zone is the hottest zone of the surface of the earth. Receive the ray of the sun. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. There is extended from the tropic 23 degree north, 23 degree south. Throughout the year, there is not much difference between summer and winter season. The equator is the seasons. Thank you. Now I would like to share you about the north temperature zone. Our planet Earth is divided into different heat zones based on how much sunlight they receive. The north temperate zone is one of these important areas. The word temperate means to moderate climate, not super hot like the areas near the equator and not freezing cool like the North Pole. The north temperature zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle at 23 degree north and to 66.5 degree north. Crops like wheat, maize and potatoes etc. are grown here. And continents like North Africa, Europe and Asia are located within this zone. Now I would like to call Dwij.
Myself, Dwij. I will explain you about the South Temperate Zone. The South Temperate Zone is located between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. In the southern hemisphere, the temperature grassland zone is located near the coast. As a result, here the climate is moderate, that makes neither very hot nor very cold. Also in the months, the sea has a moderating influence on climate. The climate is very pleasant throughout the year. In the South Temperate Zone, there are countries like New Zealand, Australia, Argentina and South Africa. I would like to call Yashwa.
My name is Patel Yashwa from 5th. Now I would like to share about frigid zone. The frigid zone is the coldest zone because it is located close to the north and south poles. The frigid zone Arctic Circle 66 degree 1.5 north and Antarctic Circle 66 1.5 south. The North Pole 90 degree south, the North Pole 90 degree north, South Pole 90 degree south. The northern frigid zone include Canada, Russia, Greenland, Finland, Iceland